Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Treyank Manmoji. In this video, we will see poem on environment. So let's start. To keep our environment clean and fresh, there's something each of us can do. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles. Let's learn and also help others understand. Every day, we humans see people busy making cash, not thinking what they thrown in trash. There's no another earth somewhere. Let's everybody be aware. Do not pollute air and water. Do not throw garbage here and there. We can do something now or never. Let us save our earth forever. Let's everyone put a responsibility to protect and save environment and also fulfill the responsibilities in protection by sharing wonderful green living together. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.